I think there's two areas that I'm excited seeing as we move forward, and some of these are seeing if they even develop and how they develop. One is the devolution of resource rights that Steve's been talking about, we've all been talking about, and the implications for that on good local governance. Access to benefits, access to public services. I feel there's a key linkage between control, use, ownership at a local level, and then how that links into governance structures, municipal, regional, local governance structures. And these are two different tracks. Working on land ownership and land rights is one, and then improving local governance is another major area, a focus of USAID and other donors. They're linked. And I'm excited to see how these linkages grow as you increase local ownership, devolve resource ownership and governance, how that then also creates incentives and creates the environment for better government. Better administration at the municipal level, at the local level, and then how that also goes up to the national level. And second area that I'm really intrigued about and to see how it goes and where it moves forward is this returning of land or devolution of land to indigenous and customary communities. I think there's been, and I alluded to this earlier, there's been an evaluation, a reevaluation of what it means to own land. What type of use translates to actual ownership. And then analyzing that use, that history of use, that pattern of use by communities, and this is indigenous communities in Latin America, which a lot have already been given control, ownership to, but it's also customary use in Africa and other places, and then how that can translate to greater local ownership. How by looking at the laws, looking at jurisprudence, cases in the courts, how various court systems in different countries are handling cases that are coming through, and what that means for ownership at a local level.